Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Improving Skills E-Learning Solutions. This English lesson is about My Doves. It is a beautiful poem by Louisa May Alcott. After reading an explanation, we'll write the central idea of the poem and later we'll write summary. Before discussing the central idea, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you like it, share with your friends. This poem is about love, friendship and faithfulness. The doves in this poem are faithful little friends who bring joy and peace. Let's read the poem. Opposite my chamber window, on the sunny roof at play, high above the city's uproar, flocks of doves sit day by day. Chamber mean room, uproar mean noisy disturbance, flocks mean groups. In these lines, the poetess tells us how beautiful doves come to sit in front of her room window away from noise of the city. In these lines, the poetess tells us how beautiful doves come to sit in front of her room window away from noise of the city. She loves their visits, making them an important part of her day. She calls them my doves with love. Shining necks and snowy feathers, little rosy tripping feet, cooing voices low and sweet, twinkling eyes and fluttering wings. Shining mean bright, tripping means skipping, cooing mean soft voices, fluttering mean moving quickly, twinkling mean sparkling. Here the poetess describes their physical appearance and beauty. They have white feathers and rosy red feet with which they hop and skip. They have shining necks and sparkling bright eyes. Their voices are soft and sweet. They move their wings happily. Graceful games and friendly meetings do I daily watch and see. For these happy little neighbors always seem at peace to be. Graceful mean nice, seem mean look. She calls their games as graceful and friendly, as the doves are known as a symbol of love, peace and dignity. She watches them daily as they have developed a bond with her. They bring peace, joy and happiness to her. On my window ledge to lure them, crumbs of bread I often strew, and behind the curtain hiding, watch them flutter to and fro. Lure mean attract, crumbs mean small pieces, strew mean spread, flutter mean move wings. Explanation: she spread breadcrumbs on her window ledge to tempt them and enjoys their to and fro movement by hiding herself behind the curtain. Soon they cease to fear the giver. Quick are they to feel my love, and my arms are freely taken by the shyest little dove. Seize means stop, arms charity, shyest nervous. Soon they stop fearing her. They feel her hidden love in the form of breadcrumbs. Now they freely enjoy the feed offered by the poetess, and even the shyest dove takes the food given by her. In soft flight, they circle downward, peeping through the window pane, stretch their gleaming necks to greet me, peck and coo and come again. Peeping mean look into, gleaming mean shining, peck mean hit with beak, coo mean make sound. While flying downward softly, they look into the window to see the poetess. They stretch their shining necks and produce sweet sound joyfully. They go away and come back again. They feel her love. Let's write the summary. In this poem, the poetess describes her love for the doves. She watches them daily in her window. They have shining necks and white feathers. She enjoys their lovely sounds and friendly meetings. She spreads breadcrumbs to lure them. Soon they become her friends and stop fearing her. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Take care.